The LeanBioMe formula is based on recent IV research and real-world results. It is made from lean bacteria strains, phytosome green tea extracts, and gut-beneficial bacteria strains. Hello viewers, this is Jenny, and today I am giving the review of LeanBioMe supplement for complete weight loss solution. A brand new weight reduction product called LeanBioMe claims that it can help anyone lose weight healthily by using patented, professionally tested ingredients. It is a dietary supplement that aggressively burns fat while also making the body slim and active. It enhances the body's ability to burn fat while limiting the development of new layers. Within a few weeks, the body slims down, gets healthier, and generally improves. LeanBioMe weight loss solution helps to lose weight accumulated in various areas of the body and supports a healthy body. Healthy bacteria, good bacteria, contribute to weight loss, gut health, and healthy digestion by supporting a healthy digestive system. This probiotic supplement is available in easy-to-swallow capsule form, and regular use in conjunction with a nutritious diet will help maintain a healthy body fat percentage by successfully starting the burning process. Pros of LeanBioMe supplement. Simple, natural, and fast weight loss method. The interior has no artificial substances, chemicals, or suspicious ingredients. Energy levels were not affected despite the weight loss. Reduce the risk of developing sleep problems and improve sleep control. Healthy and balanced microbiome in the stomach, appetite control, stress-free eating, and cravings. Better immunity and protection against some diseases can be caused by obesity. Cons of LeanBioMe supplement. Online only on company website. There is no Walmart, GNC, or Amazon. Children and pets should not be together. People with underlying health conditions may not find this product suitable. What benefits are associated to LeanBioMe? There are many benefits associated with using this supplement, including improved digestion, boosted energy levels, better hair quality, weight loss, treat diarrhea, enhances mood and mental health, and more. Science behind LeanBioMe. LeanBioMe supplement is a blend of probiotics and prebiotics, which are proven to support weight loss and overall well-being. The prebiotics feeds beneficial bacteria in our intestines and improves digestive health. Though the manufacturers of LeanBioMe claim that their product has been tested in a third-party clinical study, they haven't mentioned the report, which is suspicious. Buy LeanBioMe pills, pricing and availability. LeanBioMe can be purchased from its official website. Buying LeanBioMe from its official website will avoid the possibility of scams. The company offers free shipping and a 180-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Currently, Lean for Good offers 3 different packages of LeanBioMe. Here are the details. 1 bottle of LeanBioMe, 30-day serving, $59, plus free U.S. shipping. 3 bottles of LeanBioMe, 90-day serving, $49 each plus free U.S. shipping. 6 bottles of LeanBioMe, 180-day serving, $39 each plus free U.S. shipping. You can save significantly by ordering 6 bottles of this supplement. We recommend you consider your weight loss goal before selecting any of the above packages. It is a dietary supplement that claims to help maintain weight and improve health. The company offers a 180-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. If you're not satisfied with the results, they'll process a refund for you within 180 days of purchase. Customer reviews. There are many online LeanBioMe reviews where users have shared their experiences with the LeanBioMe supplement. These customer reviews help us find more relevant information about the supplements. The clinically researched ingredients used in the Lean for Good LeanBioMe product are not generally found in competing for diet pills. Gina, 23, from California, claims that she has lost 35 pounds from using LeanBioMe nutritional supplement. Gina was a size 13 in jeans and expected to be a size 7. She has gained more self-confidence and energy, making her happy and content. Now her life is better because of the use of LeanBioMe. Jessica from Texas claims, "This is the best thing I've tried. I've lost 25 pounds." She was working from her home, which caused her weight gain. She started searching for effective ways to lose weight quickly. In her weight loss journey, she had tried several diet pills and shakes, but they were ineffective. However, her search ended when she came across the LeanBioMe weight management formula. She is now more energetic and hopeful about her life. LeanBioMe is a powerful weight reduction capsule that supports users in losing weight without experiencing any negative side effects. The makers of this weight loss capsule claim that it promotes rapid, long-lasting, and healthy weight loss. Ingredients in the LeanBioMe supplement have been shown to combat this issue and correct the bacterial imbalance. It promotes metabolism, enhances gut health, and helps with fat loss. So after watching the review video of LeanBioMe dietary supplement, if you wish to lose weight and interested to buy it, so buy only from official website. Thank you for watching.